If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what is the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube? In order to solve this question, you must know the identity where we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Let's start doing this. So, do you remember the identity where we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube? There is one. And if you don't remember it yet, just memorize it. Or do as many questions as possible so you get it stamped into your mind. We have an identity that says x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, it has two factors. One is x plus y plus z and another factor is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Here x is a, y is b and z is c, and we have to find the value of this when the value of a plus b plus c, that is x plus y plus z, is given as 0. So, if we simply substitute the values, it becomes a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now, let's substitute this value of a plus b plus c as 0, which is given. So this becomes 0 into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Any number multiplied by 0 gives us 0, so we get it here as 0, which means a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. So, we have to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. We have one extra term here, that is minus 3abc. Let us send it on the right hand side. So, we get a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to minus 3abc. When it moves on the right hand side, its sign changes from negative to positive and we have 3abc, and that is our answer. The value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc when a plus b plus c is equal to 0. You can also use it as an identity to solve other similar questions. You just have to remember the identities in such questions, apply it, and you have the solution. Start doing it and you will see the results yourself. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.